Hey! In front of me is POCO X4 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the theme of your keyboard on this smartphone. Firstly, just go into Settings and scroll down right away. Then choose Additional Settings, click on Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards and Gboard. Over here you need to tap on Theme and then click on Show More at the bottom right corners. When you're ready, tap on the best theme for you. I will go with that one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and save your keyboards by choosing Apply. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, swipe up and tap on this plus icon under My Themes. Then select the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. When you're ready, tap on Done, manage key borders, and finally select Apply. As you can see, this time when I go back, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!